How to join Starbucks Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Starbucks on your device. Here, click on Rewards at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on Rewards at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on Join Now. After you click on Join Now, you'll find a login page. Here, add your information to create an account. Add your first name, your last name, your email address, and create a password. After you've created a password, scroll down and click on I agree to the Starbucks reward terms. Click on Create Account at the bottom. After that, you will be joined to Starbucks Rewards. And this is how to join Starbucks Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.